You know, bigger cups with more frozen. Yeah, man, with the little umbrella and stuff on the top. That's her, y'all. That's her. She representing one time. Hey, look out. I need me an umbrella. Hey, girl. How you doing? Huh? You ready? Miss, you want two of the little stickers or you want one big sticker? Ooh, she want the one big one. There you go, miss. Already, you have. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, she done got her a big sticker, y'all. Who got which one of y'all? Oh, ARS paid for it. ARS paid for it. Don't worry. ARS. Accelerated Racing Solutions, guys. Let me see. Okay. We got Sunfish in the house. Shout out to the sponsors one time for the one time. There's some of them they last day. They need to contact me if they ready to renew. Yeah, but this the last day. But shout out to them one more time for looking out, even being a part of the Lookout Racing team and sponsors.
You went all the way around. It's good.
Huh? What happened? Oh man.
No, man, come on now. We all represent Lookout, man.
Okay. Yeah, these my people, man.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, you can't get a big one, Gerald. You gotta pay. Nah, I'm playing, Gerald. That's my boy Gerald, man. Gerald now. Everybody else get the little ones, man. These are day one supporters. I can look out for them. The day ones. Oh man, I'm day two. I got a little one for you. You're gonna have to pay for the big one. Oh Lord, is somebody else calling me? Man, they closed that hood hard. And it still didn't close. Shit. So bad. Oh shit. This shit done got serious.
You don't want to sit on my fucking car. I don't even know this stupid motherfucker. That's the second time he done that shit.
Oh my lordy. What is he thinking?
I remember his face. I'm not stupid.
Bro, this dude, he say this dude that sat on his car, he done scared the shit out of me. Ooh. Damn. He slammed the shit out of that motherfucker. Somebody time stamp that. I don't know. See, when you time stamp it in the comments, I can't see it later. I need to figure out a way to figure that out. I need to be able to see that later on. Hold on.
What's going on, bro?
Man, that hood over there, where he slammed that hood.
Hey, man, I saw your interview with Lippy and Happy and shit.
Yeah. Was you happy with it?
Yeah, man, I liked it, man. It was very informational for me.
Yeah. I be trying to tell everything.
I was like, goddamn, motherfucker went through all that shit after you left the transmission shop.
Yeah, I did. I be going through some shit, man. It be looking like everything. Oh, look how they taking care of you, man. No, they ain't. They trying to milk me. They trying to milk me. I done went to 3 shops and still ain't right.
It still ain't right?
Nah, I'm finna I'm all the way back doing it myself. I'm at home now. I gotta do it myself.
Yeah.
I'm changing my own head gasket. I'm finna put me a AC unit. My boy Flying Low was driving, found the AC unit for $175. Lady said it cost $400. I'm finna put that in the garage and start unbolting boats. Yeah, I'm gonna unbolt me some boats.
Hey, honestly, this would be a good race for you. Look out.
What, this right here?
Oh, man, we
Just let
already
the
raced.
nigga leave first.
Let him leave. I can't catch him. Yeah, let me smell it. Oh, yeah, that's it.
That's certified.
I know that. Yeah, I know that smell. That's that lovely. Oh,
That's that shit.
he says gelato, but I think that was some OG. That's that. It got some OG in it. Yeah. I know OG when I smell it.
OG was the only thing that was gas, fam.
Yeah.
That ass.
It's
You got
still
some
damn
OG?
near like that because all these fake flavors out here, ooh,
Oh, wait.
they ain't doing nothing. All these fake flavors.
Yeah, but shit, me and him already ran. We 1-1 right now.
Okay. Yeah, we 1-1. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, this Infinity be getting it. I always racing with a excuse. If I look, we was just talking about you yesterday when we was up there hooping at the basketball court.
Oh,
I probably started back recording. I'm back hooping on Mondays and Wednesdays now, so Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday, I'm hooping. I'm trying to. We were hooping in West Dallas.
Okay.
You know the West Dallas spot?
The indoor?
Nah, it's outdoor. You gotta feel that sun.
Yeah, where?
I don't even know. Bateman or something. It's something B-A-A-T.
Oh, you talking about what about big?
But Tom,
He got the gas.
you just go down.
It's a Gasito truck.
Alright,
Yeah.
shit, I can't fucking run, but I can shoot the ball.
Nah, we gonna stop that shit. You gonna have to get on out there. You gonna have to come on. Oh, you got a good tire. I ain't know that bitch had a good tire. Look at all my people that's watching on TikTok, man. I'm also live on my YouTube channel. Look Out Racing. Somebody blew up on the track a while ago, so the racing gonna start after they finish cleaning it up. But you can still check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Yeah, that's what I really came over here to tell y'all, TikTokers. We at the Yello Belly Dragstrip, guys, here in Dallas, Texas. Hey, look out, look out. Look, TikTokers. We're here at the Yello Belly Dragstrip, guys. Put the YouTube link. Hey, hold up. If I go put the YouTube link, I gotta go off and then go get it. Look out, what's up with it? Nothing much, chilling. Trying to see something. Yeah. What happens if a member doesn't pay? Then we just block them. We block them. We keep the bets. Hey, we got Jackie in here, y'all. Jackie is a dillo, and then they get exposed. But usually the people that's in the Lookout family that's always online when I get online and talking and messaging. Just imagine Rapid Transit don't pay. Look out, look out. How you doing? We got Silent Killer, y'all.
Yes, sir.
John Boy in the building, representing the big rim racing. He done came here with some slicks, y'all, to test and tune to see if he can go a little bit faster. That way when he put his rims back on.
No, I just actually came out to race you tonight, man.
Oh, you want to try my Caprice?
Yeah.
Damn. I don't want to race your shit.
Man. We'll let you in the gate.
Nah, I need it. What you gonna give me in here?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I need some. All these turbo. I need a turbo car, y'all. They want to race me in turbo car. I need something else.
Man, give me one of them stickers you got, man.
What you want? You get the big one.
I got the big one.
Yeah. Well, that's the.
Take up half my back window.
Yeah, I need to be next to the bomb.
God damn.
Yeah.